hope you are doing great as always. Look at my tasty blueberry cupcake that I want to try now. But if you're unable to get to restaurant with your beloved ones, no problem. I can easily help you to make this super tasty cupcake at home with your beloved ones. You can try as much as you want because this is so cheaper, so delicious, and so affordable. Let's see. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you the most easy and most delicious cupcake without using oven at home. You can make it quickly and so easy. We need 1 egg with vanilla. Mix it well. Now I want to add little bit water. Again, mix it well. Little bit oat milk. I prefer oat milk, but you can add whatever you want. You can add lactose free or also normal milk. And again, we are mixing well. 2 spoons of sugar, it's enough. 3 spoons. Mix it well. We need 1 cup of flour. You can add it slowly or immediately. And again, mix it well. We have our blueberries. I cut a little bit of that and I'm adding to my cakes. Look. So delicious. We are adding and mixing. At this stage, I should transfer all of my ingredients to cups or small bowl. I chose these as a mold. And we can put 3 blueberries inside of that. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Now I want to show you how to put it in the pot. Before I put water inside of my pot and I let it boil. At this stage, I transfer these bowls inside of this pot. I think this water is a little bit more. I can make it less. That's enough. Look. I put it inside of that. But the secret is that we should put a fabric on the lid. We should wrap a fabric around the lid and put it on top of the pot like this. It must be cooked for 15 minutes. Let's see. Our blueberry cupcake is ready. Jiggly-giggly-goo. Well, I want to serve it for you. It's amazing. I suggest you to make it at home and enjoy with your beloved ones.